Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Báwo ló ṣe ń lọ lọ́dọ̀ yín? Okay, this is just a quick one. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
And Boogie housewife. Please help me to tag her to this video. Don't be sympathetic or empathetic on this case, or sentimental or emotional. Wọ́n náà ti gbé yà lọ sí ọlọ́pàá, but mi mọ̀ kan tó sọ fún ọlọ́pàá. Let them tell the police the way the case is. Because wọ́n gbé yà ìwọlé, God bless you, modern slavery, nothing but that. When you bring somebody into the country, number one, are you supposed to bring her into the country to come and work? No. You were to bring her into the country as your relative. She was not even your relative because Mama has told a story of 3 people being related to her. My in-law, my best friend, my kinikon, one Mr. Kinwumi, and you brought somebody's mother into America just because wọ́n ní much. Because you think they need help. Mama says she has a house. That means Mama is not really suffering as you think. Then if Mama too, Mama's children said they asked Mama to come back, why did Mama's children, and in the first place, allow their mother, 76-year-old mother, to come and work in America? That means they supported it initially until Mama started falling sick. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká indulge nǹkan tí ò dáa. Thank you very much, Ìyálóde, ẹ ṣé gan ìyá mi. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká indulge nǹkan tí ò dáa láàrin wa. Don't let us encourage what will cause problem for others.
Krijg tot 50% korting op alles met onze...
I heard that this one has been taken to the police. I saw a video, but I don't know the depth of what you have taken to the police. And I hope MC Bad and Boogie housewife will not have put herself into trouble, because this woman, this mother, this grandma is nothing but a blatant liar too. Me saw with apology. She's very easy in telling stories too, all because she wanted money. She loved money to the extent above her life. Mama love we go yaye won gan lo. Ikú mama yẹn in another video, ikú yẹn ga tó yìí bí ẹni tó ní oyún 9 months. Tó ní oyún 9 months. Mama go kíá táwọn bá collapse ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá dákẹ́ síbí. MC Boogie housewife should not take it and be emoshi Adunni. I told the person that know her that was talking to me today, mo ní ẹ sọ fún MC Boogie housewife kí wọ́n involve ọlọ́pàá. Not only kọ́n dẹ̀ sọ òótọ́, kọ́n hàndí màmá pé àwọn ò lè gbà sọ́dọ̀, àwọn ò dẹ̀ lè ràn lọ́wọ́ ju nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe yìí lọ, kí ọlọ́pàá take over from there. If ọlọ́pàá were at the end of the day will now want to go further, involve whatever, it's nobody's problem than for you to get into a problem pé torí o fẹ́ ṣàánú. Tí ìyá yìí bá dákẹ́ sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ nǹkan tó jákẹ́ sí nkíà ẹ, ṣé o láwọn ọmọ ẹ tó fẹ́ tọ́jú ni? Àbí tí ìyá ló bá wá sí Amẹ́ríkà? Eléyìí ò ń ṣe tàánú mọ́. A máa ń là ń ṣàánú gbà mí tá máa tira wa bọnú wàhálà tá ní lè jáde ń bẹ̀. Ọ̀ọ́ka tó lá jáde, we will have gone through so much. And this kind of a case, of somebody that there was, Mama láwọn bá ẹni yẹn ṣiṣẹ́ for almost 7 months. That's Akinwumi, ṣé òun ló ń gba owó màmá ni? Ẹ má cover kíní yìí. These are the things that we are covering tó bá yé Nigeria jẹ́ dé stage yìí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó tún wá bá yé Nigeria jẹ́ níbí yìí. Tari sápamọ́ sí. Don't allow it. Ẹ má cover nǹkan tí ò cover. This is why Tóyìnbó máa ń sọ wípé when you see something, you say something. Kí ayé lè bá dára ni. How can Mama work for 7 months? No kobo. Àìdè kàn fẹ́ dá owó kí Mama máa lọ́lé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Somebody else will now repeat the same thing. Ẹ tún dá owó, Mama tún ẹni yẹn náà tún lọ́lé. Somebody else will now still do it again. Until another worst one will not happen. that will put people to ọmọwọ́ mẹsẹ̀ inside jail. Ẹ má cover arú nǹkan báyìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ má cover ẹ̀. Ẹ gbé màmá yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí màmá, let màmá say the story. Say the story as it is. Ẹ má parọ́. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ ti lọ parọ́, too bad. Ọlọ́pàá should be involved in this kind of a case. This is not the kind of case whereby you will cover. No. You know why? If you cover it, you don't say the story as it is. Mama already is not feeling okay. I saw her tummy like somebody that is 9 months pregnant. You now carry Mama, you are carrying her to the airport. Mama is going to fly 14 hours straight. Do you know what that means? Already, she's not strong. She's going to fly 14 hours back to Nigeria. Or she's going to fly like probably going to have a layover. Maybe at the end of the day, she's using over 24, 36 hours before she gets to the final destination. Tí màmá bá dákẹ́ sọ́nà ta ná fẹ́ pè. If anything should happen to Mama as she's going, what are they going to do? Don't let us indulge and cover up what is not right. If you do, you are part of the people that is spoiling chances for others. Taba speak out. They will know our society is not what they are calling us here. Just 2 or 3 months ago was when the woman in New Jersey was sentenced to how many years imprisonment? Why? She did exactly the same thing this Mr. Kinwumi did. Bringing somebody's mother into America. They lock her up to be doing babysitter for years, abusing her. That was not enough. They now went to bring another younger lady because they thought Mama would be able to work. The woman was not working that much. They now went to go and bring down another lady. You know what that means? That is trafficking. That is nothing but trafficking and modern day slavery. They brought the young lady too. Of course, they promised the lady she will be going to school. They were not paying them a dime other than the food they were eating. And these people will work day and night until those children sleep. Those people will not sleep. I am very sure sleepless nights, lokoba yayi. Yes, they took their passports too. Seized their passports. And after that, they don't allow them to mix with anybody. Until that girl, the young lady that was very smart, went to tell her professor in school that this is what is going on with her. It was that one that called the police and immigration on them. And they busted the house and saw the people where they were living. The woman is a professor. She has very good job here in America. Today, as I'm talking, she's in jail. Why do they put people in jail? So that next time they will not do the same thing for somebody else again. This is taking advantage of the vulnerable, of the weak, of people that we think need help. The kind of help that Mama needs is not the help they have rendered to her. It's a wicked help. Thank you very much, Bloom Vibes. That is a wicked help. How can you bring a 76-year-old woman? Joy, consider gbogbo wa at our age. 76 to come and do what in America? Inside cold. Where she is not used to. If they allow, she's now 79, she was 76 when she came in. If they allow this woman to talk, that Mr. Kinwumi, I'm very sure, must have abused Mama very well. Maybe that was what led to Mama's sickness. Because already it's very obvious Mama has kidney issue or internal problem, internal organ problem. It's very obvious. What led to that problem? Ẹ má jẹ́ káwọn people yìí lọ scot free. What led to mama's problem are health issues. Ẹ má kàn sọ yìí pé ẹ bá wa dáwó kí máa ka help mama. Ask deeper questions. Get the law enforcement involved in this case. This is not a case you can handle on your own. Ẹ bá mi tag MC Boogie. Kó má kó bá rẹ̀. Tọ́rọ̀ yìí bá yíwọ́, ìyá lè parọ́ mú ẹ. Ìyá yìí ń parọ́. Ìyá yìí ń pa irọ́, má jẹ́ kó bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí anything bá ṣẹlẹ̀, ọlọ́pàá máa sọ wípé ó parọ́ fáwọn. Má jẹ́ kí ìyá kọ́kọ́ kó bá ẹ. Oríire ló wá ṣe nílùú ìpẹ́ láwọn mú ẹ. Tí anything bá ṣẹlẹ̀, tí ọlọ́pàá wádìí tó rí pé nǹkan tẹ́ sọ fáwọn kọ́ lẹ sọ fáwọn. Ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tí ìyá sọ fáwọn. Má jẹ́ kí ìyá kọ́kọ́ kó bá ẹ o. And ìyá fọlọ́pàá, ọlọ́pàá mọ bó ṣe máa dé Nàìjíríà. Wọn ò lè fìyà jẹ, she's old. Because àwọn náà ò ní fẹ́ kó kú sáwọn lọ́wọ́. And bó ṣe wà yẹn, if she falls sick, they will take care of her. Kan tó gbé dọ̀hún, tó bá rí pé anything ṣẹlẹ̀. It is better than you handling it on your own. I know you guys have gone to the police, but I don't know what you told the police. But ẹ má jẹ́ ká cover nǹkan báyìí. Ẹ má cover nǹkan tí ò ṣe. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká cover. We are covering ló bá Nàìjíríà débi tó délé ní. Yẹn ṣe bí Yorùbá lẹ ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ẹ gbójú jọ, ẹ ṣe kíní kan jọ. Òun ló bá ti wá jẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà tó àbí débi tá délé ní. See something, say something. Ló tún America ṣe débi tó délé ní. Why tẹ́ fẹ́ cover nǹkan tí ò dá? How can somebody bring somebody's mother to come and okay, gbogbo 3.5 years ìyá yẹn, where is the money? Where is all the money for the 3.5 years that woman spent? 3 years with Akinwumi, 7 months. That is 3 years, 7 months with the woman she said she's working with. Are we sure Akinwumi is not even collecting mama's salary? Maybe that was why the lady was not paying mama. She said she's been sending funds home. Hello, mama send it, silly. They should look for that. Apart from that, gone. Wọ́n bá ma send owó sílé, kó má send owó sílé. Why will you bring a 76-year-old to America to come and work? Why? Akinwumi. Ẹ má káwọn people yẹn lọ scot free. Ìyá mi tó bá rí fídíò yìí, MC Bad and Boogie housewife. Má káwọn people yìí lọ scot free. Those Akinwumi. Nothing will happen to mama. Tó bá deport mama, mama cannot come back here again, tẹ́lẹ̀. Mama cannot come back to America again. Even if anything does not happen. Once she leave, is to go and get ready. Kí ló tún kù 79. Kọ́lọ̀ fún wọn lọ́ẹ̀mí gígùn díẹ̀ sí pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà. And already she's not feeling okay. So why tó jẹ́ wípé when you know mama cannot have another chance, why would you want to cover? It's not as if you want to spoil chance for mama now. No. But let those people pay for what they have done. To teach others lesson. How many people? Yes, mama is not saying the whole truth. Me ò trust the mama yẹn. From day one, tí mo rí story yẹn, mo ní this thing is not adding up. Mo ní rọ́pọ̀ nínú story yìí. Ìrọ́pọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Mo ní no, this story is not adding up. There are so many things going on in this story. No. There is still more about the story. Then why cover those people? Oh, easy. Òyìnbó mọ bó ṣe máa wádìí tó bá dojú ẹ̀. Even if Even if mama does not know the address, wọ́n wádìí wọn. Ìbò ní phone number lórí phone mama, àbí wọn ní phone number. Ṣebọn ní phone number. 76-year-old mother. Apàyàn lẹni tó ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà. Ọmọ kan tó ń ṣe, they know what they are doing. Wọ́n ti ìyá yẹn, they pushed her away because they know her days are numbered. She's not okay. That was why they pushed her. Mama Tori, the way she is, let's even take her age apart. Let's take her age off. I mean, let's take the health off. I'm sorry, I meant to say. What job do you want to give a 79-year-old mother to do other than for her to sleep, wake, and chop? If she wants to sightsee, carry her short distance, she can't even. On getting too strong in it now. We see many people talk what age you want on the dadamo. 79. That is 1 year to being 80. And you bring her into America. Kowa shekini. Play it and nikaba as a people. Why? So, àwọn ọmọ màmá yẹn, if there is a way tó bá lè ṣe kò yẹ kí kọ́bọ̀ tẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ for people that want to contribute for that mama. Kò yẹ kí wọ́n dime báyìí kó kan àwọn ọmọ màmá yẹn lọ́wọ́. So àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti ìyá wọn, knowing what their mother is going to do. Mọ́mí ìwà yẹn lọ powó wá. Màmá wá ń send owó àwọn ná ní Nàìjíríà. Hey, ẹ gbà mí. There is nothing we will not see among our people, though. You send your mother to go and suffer. To be at 76, going to 80, to be sending money to you. Ẹ gbà mí. So after they now raise money now, they will give it to mama. Mama will take it to Nigeria. Those children will collect the money and start spending it. Sosa is not poverty. It is who people are. There are so many people. Mama has a house now. Mama says she has a house. In Bita won kọ́lé sí. Ìbàdàn ni mama kọ́lé sí now. Ìbàdàn ni mama kọ́lé sí now. They need to find out. When did mama start feeling sick? They need to find out. How did mama come into America? They need to find out. What did those people say mama is to them? You're not supposed to bring somebody that is not your relative. Mama is supposed to be their mother. Abi? Why did they push that woman out? Seba je kon lo ikaleshi. Everyone, both the Akinwumi o, both the wife ni o, both the person that she worked with for 7 months, gbogbo wọn should be behind bars. That is what is going on now. Really? It's where you work out, you go reach something, you go know something. I know people's mothers come and stay with them, and they help them with children. Not as old as this now. Not as old as this, 79. You bring in a 79-year-old, come and do what? Ah, okay. Now that we know. Now that we know, it's good. So, Tomba wa kú síbí, ẹ wá ní ká ṣe GoFundMe. You want to carry the dead body back to Nigeria. Abi? So if they now buy for this place, you now start looking for people to donate. to take the body back to Nigeria. Ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ìyá yín bá wà Nàìjíríà, tẹ́ bá darí ìyá yín síbi kó wá ṣiṣẹ́ òfò kan. Àwa tá ní jẹ́ kó rówó gbà fún leléyìí. Lórí pẹ̀lú eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. We should all kick against this rubbish and nonsense. Anybody that their parents are not here, that they are back in Nigeria, they now push their mother. Oh yeah, mommy, where you know she's ní ìlú òyìnbó. And you know your mother is not fit for iṣẹ́ ìlú òyìnbó. Let anything happen to them, they raise fund. This is how we just raise fund for rubbish and nonsense and encourage what is not. How can our children allow her at that age? 76. It's like you people don't know what 76 is. 76 is not 50. It's not 56. It's not 60. Some bring 80 plus to come and do what? 80 plus. 80 plus. 80 years old woman. Wàláì tí n bá rí irú ẹ̀, ẹ̀yà máa sá fún mi o. Àfi tí mi ì bá mọ̀. Tí n bá rí irú ẹ̀ máa pọ̀ ọlọ́pàá sí yín. Máa fún ọlọ́pàá ní tip. Ipe ẹgbẹ́ ìyàwó ní ìyàwó sí America. 80 years. Our people are doing wonders, oh. Now, not even fear. 80 years. So if the woman can't pay me, you bring 80 years into... ti ẹ̀bẹ̀rù ẹlẹ́dàá yín. Ẹ̀bẹ̀rù orí yín rárá. Ẹgbẹ́ 80 years wá sí America. Kó wá ṣe kíni? Irú wickedness wo nìyẹn? Ronke, thank you. I think that is just it. Mo fẹ́ pin comment. Good evening from Houston, Jere. Yara Houston. Jumiola, if it is their mother, tó bá jẹ́ ìyá èèyàn ni, is a different scenario entirely. You are bringing in your mother. Your mother is 80 years old. It's okay. At least on chani lo ye ni ye lokulo. Abi your mother of 80 years. Your 80 years old woman go come America. Now she go cook. Now she go sweep. Now she go clean. Now she go take care of children. No, of course you will not do that to your own mother now. The worst that you will do, maybe your mother will help you to take care of the children. Sit with them. See any go. He should to go and bathe the children and be going up and down. Maybe sit with your children. Be with them while you are going out. That is the worst you will make your mother do at that age. You want to bring in 80-year-old woman to come and do what? Somebody says some people are still physically and mentally okay at 80 plus. So they are being okay, Mumbo. Being mentally okay at 80 plus is for them to oh, sorry. If you have a mother of 80 years, you should let her rest. Let her rest so that you can rest in old age too. I don't like that statement where some people are still physically and mentally okay at 80 plus. So because they are mentally fit and at 80 plus, they should not rest. They should not rest. They don't deserve rest. They have been taking care of you since how many years? Helping you to take care of your children, some of your grandchildren, their grandchildren. At 80 plus, they should be resting. How many Òyìnbó? Sherry, àwa dúdú, àwa gun ò like ara wa nísìnyí. Like ara wa. How many Òyìnbó you dey see at 70 plus? Tí wọn ò ní rest. Their life is for their life. At that age. Yes, you can bring children to come and visit them. They will even, if they come to your house, they will come as a visitor. They will come as a visitor. And if you bring your children for them to babysit, doesn't mean they will be the one to cook their food. No, you will have prepared all that. This is why Oyinbo dey rest. How can you say your mother at 80 years is still physically and mentally strong to do what? To wash plates, to sweep the floor, the place she has been washing since she's 6 years old? Oyinbo go once they are 65, 70, 60, 70K. They go for early retirement these days. By 60, they are already just working temporarily, going for holiday up and down, enjoying their lives. How can somebody say 80 plus can still be active physically? 80 plus? If you allow your mother at 80 plus to do anything in your house, you are a wicked person. If you allow your mother at 80 plus to even bathe your children, maybe that was one of the things that sent one woman, grandma, a child she was taking care of, especially in a country where you don't take care of children the way you do it back in Nigeria. Anything happen like this, they won't say it's your child. That woman is in jail. Ṣó fi ṣe yín kẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kú láyé yín ni àṣeyàn. 80 plus. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ n rí 80 plus ìṣiṣẹ́ ìwé. Ta ni iṣẹ́? Irú iṣẹ́ wo? Lẹ́yìn kí n jí kọ́ fún mi lóúnjẹ. Ìwọ̀nba tí bá lè jẹ kọ́lọ́run fún wa lẹ́mìí gúngún àtàlàáfíà. Kí n nọ́ọ̀sẹ̀, kí n wo movie. Báwo ni Tọ́lá? Mo ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló máa jẹ́. So because don't get 80 plus, physically and mentally strong. She's still in jail till now. That woman in jail up, yes. Ṣé bọ́mọ ló wá tọ́ tó bá rẹ̀ lẹ́wọ̀n. Ó mà ṣe o. Most àwọn grandma ìwọ̀n ọ̀dẹ̀ mọ rules America. There is a grandpa too. Ìládìí ló fọ́mọ oṣù mẹ́fà lẹ́wọ̀n. Grandpa yẹn lóun ò fẹ́ fojú rọ́mọ yẹn mọ́. He doesn't want to see that child again till he go pai when they release him. As inspire wisdom, how are you, Jere? They should report these people to the law. Let Mama say the story as it is. Mama is covering up a lot. And those people that brought Mama, they should not go scot-free. Don't allow those people that brought Mama into this place to go scot-free. And please, MC Bada and Boogie housewife, hand over this woman. Pata. Oh, Nishiore. Hand her over. Tima, if Mama is now going, account number fair and send owo síbẹ̀. Government will take care of Mama until she will get to Nigeria. God bless you, Orlando Owo. Anyone that will use their own mother for babysitting, that is their own problem. But they should not take advantage on someone's mother. That is nothing but wickedness. Wickedness, Emma, don't cover for these people. Let them pay for this crime they have committed on this woman. Ebi ọmọ bí tó gbé màmá sí. Àwọn tó gba màmá sọ́dọ̀ gan wọn tí ẹ bẹ̀rù ẹ̀rù ọba wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ n wo page lady yẹn. Ṣé mo ní TikTok lórí fóònù yìí? Mi ní TikTok. Okay, mo ní TikTok lórí ẹ̀. Mi wọ́n bí tí màmá wà. But nǹkan tí mo gbọ́ ni wípé àwọn people yẹn màmá parọ́. Ní number 1. Wọ́n gbé màmá wọlé wá ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Mo ń bọ̀ o. Ṣóhun rè. Okay.
I've been getting messages or calls that's on pages. I've been going, going live, requesting, people to donate to Mama. Please, 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 and please. I want to appreciate, there's a platform this morning, but I was still sleepy. I joined that platform, and I really appreciate it because the woman insisted that, I came up, to talk to them about Mama's situation before they started donating. So that is exactly how it should be. Not somebody just coming on live, posting account details, saying that they are donating money for Mama. Please, 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 and please do not fall for any scam. Apart from the accounts,
I'm just seeing this one. Why not share her?
By me, both the dollar and the naira accounts. Please do not donate money to any other account. I beg you, do not fall for scam. If you want to donate money to Mama, please reach out to me. Please, I'm begging you. We are doing this for Mama. Let the money get to the right person. Please do not fall for scam. So many people are already using this to raise money for themselves. Because I don't know why anybody would do that. Please. Thank you. All right, one more.
Some people already see it as opportunity to cash out again. Nigeria, oh.
Hello, hey Timmy. I just want to appreciate everybody on behalf of Mama. I say thank you, like a very big thank you. Yeah, just last night on the live that we did, to raise money for Mama to go back home and also to take care of her health. As I speak to you right now, at least right now we have with the dollar that we have, almost like 1.4 million, just like that in one night. That's what they call it. It's mercy, baby. It's mercy. We are doing this for love. And then I want to use this medium also to correct. I saw some.
Wọ́n ní gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí. Ọ̀fẹ́ ni ìyá Madam Naija. Ọ̀fẹ́ ni ìyá yìí máa dé Naija. Take her to the appropriate court, appropriate authority. They will step in. They will even take care of Mama because of her age. Hey. I wish I have access to this lady. Kó mama kó bá rẹ̀. Kó mama ṣoore dáràn. This case is very straightforward. You saw a stranded woman on the streets. You took her. I think the next place to what to do next is to take this woman to the authority. Not social media. The woman is not okay. Health-wise, she's not okay. Anything can happen. Age-wise, she's not of age. She was maltreated. She was abused. She was taken advantage of. I think the next thing to do, that we even protect this woman, protect her health, protect her till she gets to Nigeria, make her comfortable. Those are the people that are supposed to take over this case. Don't get me wrong. Donate. Social media. Even harboring that woman for 24 hours is very risky. Very, very risky. Àwọn èèyàn láyà o. Ní America. Ní America. Mà ní ṣoore di tá máa fi bára wa níbi tí ó yẹ ká ti bára wa. Some people have got when ọlọ́pàá is close by, mama, wọ́n lé yín jáde, okay, ẹrù yín dà, ẹrù mi rèé. Ọlọ́pàá lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀, I saw a woman here, this is what is going on, blah, 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 blah. Ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ láwọn ń bọ̀ nsìnsìn, and they will come. Gbogbo stress yìí ẹ̀ ní ìdí ẹ̀, èlò náà fẹ́ dá fún ìyá yìí. If anything should happen, tomato, in the process, okay, I can invite her. How can I invite her from here? I'm not really a TikTok user. Oh, hey. I'm not a TikTok user. The police is already in the know. Okay, they already report to the police. Kí ló sọ fún police? Because the latest information tó ń sọ bí, èmi rò pé yẹ kí ọlọ́pàá take over ni. Or they are trying to shield àwọn tó ń gbé ìyá yẹn wọlé. Are they trying to protect those people that brought mama in? Mi mo bon ẹ jẹ́ wo tí bá lè private chat ẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ bí lọ.
Why are you screaming at mama? Like for people that knows me, they know this is how I talk. And then like for that the
Who collected mama's passport and drug? Those people. Abolopa. I should click that arrow. Which arrow? I'm not. Ọlọ́pàá máa tọ́jú bàyá yẹn. Wọ́n á tọ́jú ẹ̀. This arrow. Okay. I don't know how to do it too. I'm not a TikTok person. Okay, she's on another live right now. Good. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé sí. Number. How will I know she's on live? Okay, she's on another live, so she can't really join us then. Who collected her passports? Okay, somebody said they later said they have released the passport and are going to take care of her. Okay, the police released mama to her. Protective service. Okay, lọ́dọ̀ Dúpẹ́. Because irú. Okay. Dúpẹ́ ò sí live. Àbí báwo lèèyàn ṣe máa mọ̀ bóyá ó wà live. Èmi ò mọ TikTok yín lò. Mi ò mọ TikTok yín lò.
Got this footpath from TikTok.
Mi ò mọ TikTok yín lò. Oh, mama, wọ́n máa ṣe síbi tó dáa o. Ọlọ́pàá máa kó everybody ni. Dúpẹ́ is not on live. Kò sí live. Okay, ó wà níbi iṣẹ́. Okay, everyone, no one she explained. Somebody is telling me that she explained all in details to the police.